Did you know that the glass in your window once started as sand? Let's dive into the magical process of turning ordinary sand into crystal clear glass. Glass isn't just shiny and see-through, it's actually a type of supercooled liquid made mostly from a common ingredient, silica, found in sand. The type of sand used is silica sand, made up mostly of quartz. It looks like ordinary sand, but it's super pure and perfect for glass making. To turn sand into glass, it's heated to over 1,700 degrees Celsius. That's more than 3,100 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside giant furnaces, silica sand is mixed with other materials like soda ash and limestone. This helps it melt faster and stay strong when cooled. Once it's melted into a glowing liquid, it can be shaped into windows, bottles, or even fiber optics. Glass blowers can blow it into amazing art. Factories roll it into sheets or mold it into jars. Then the glass is slowly cooled in a process called annealing. This helps it become strong and less likely to crack. And that's how beach sand becomes the glass in your home. Next time you look through a window, remember, you're staring through melted sand. Like, subscribe and stay curious.